In this video we will talk about colon and body cleanse. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Cleaning the colon and our body from certain impurities is a growing concern in health societies around the world. More and more people are becoming loco over colon cleansing products to administer colon cleansing and detoxification so that they can live a balanced and healthy life. There are many health benefits known when you undergo colon cleansing or body detoxification. Colon and body cleansing are both very important for a healthy living, and they are closely similar except that a body cleansing procedure helps the whole body rather than focusing the process in a certain area like a colon cleanser does. Since colon cleansers focus on the colon itself, it tends to give faster results. However, both procedures are employed to remove harmful body toxins from our body. The main benefits of a colon cleanser is that it aids you in losing weight, increase your body's energy, cleansing your whole digestive system, breaks down fecal wastes accumulated in the colon, reduces bloating, decreases water retention, and it maintains the smooth operation and functions of your colon and the rest of your body. When we talk of colon cleansing, most individuals would instantly think of colon irrigation. This is, however, old-fashioned and outdated since there are more available products available in the market today that can be purchased for home use to be able to start a home-based colon cleansing and get rid of the horrible toxins. Most experts would suggest that a high-quality colon cleansing product should be employed at least once or twice every year to let your colon be cleansed and destroy the harmful fecal matter buildup that accumulated in your large intestine and intestinal wall or lining after the process of digestion and absorption of your body's digestive system. There are numerous symptoms that can be distinguished to having a toxic buildup, such as constipation, acne, bad breath, headaches and loss of energy. The buildup of these toxins and fecal matter is very harmful and could lead to fatal diseases such as the colon cancer. The United States Center for Disease Control and Prevention proved that colon cancer is the second biggest cause of cancer fatalities in the US, and this can be attributed to bad diet and harmful eating and food practices. Another important benefit of colon and body cleansing is lowering excessive weight and shedding extra body fats. The normal colon measures around 5 or 6 feet long and can provide room for around 20 pounds of fecal wastes. However, as the years pass by without intervention and proper fiber diet, some of these fecal wastes gets accumulated in the colon and intestinal lining, increasing the total body mass of the person by several pounds. It can also add to the bulky midsection of a person, or commonly known as apple obesity or simply the dreaded beer belly. By undergoing a colon cleanse regimen, you can easily get rid of these situations and you can shred about 5 pounds from your body. Although there are no natural methods of colon cleansing such as drinking salt water, none of these procedures are effective as other organic products such as licorice root, whole grains and acai berries. Most organic products are made up of a natural selection of herbs that aids in colon cleansing and remove those harmful toxins from the body. The colon cleansing and body cleansing ensures natural and regular body movements. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.